Hey everyone, thanks for joining me in Crystal's Kitchen. My name is Crystal Lowry and I am the creator as well as the host of Crystal's Kitchen. Today I'm bringing you one of my infamous recipes, my protein pancakes. And how this came about is once upon a time when I was just eating eggs and oats for breakfast, I wanted a more convenient way to eat that, especially on the go. And over years of modifying this recipe, I've come up with something that I hope that you guys love as much as I do. I've added a few additional ingredients other than the eggs and the oats. Definitely make it moist and definitely make it really tasty and easy to eat on the go. We're gonna just dive right in. We're gonna start with a base of egg whites. I don't typically measure out everything, but I'm gonna just go ahead and pour some egg whites in. And I'm gonna make enough, you guys, because I like to make this recipe where I have extra and I pack them up for food prep for the week. I've got 2 whole eggs that I've already cracked here. I'm gonna do a third one just to make this recipe that I have enough ingredients. And I'm gonna just blend those right in. Now the next wet ingredients is, I learned years ago applesauce was really great. Unsweetened applesauce was awesome. So, a tablespoon or 2 if I'm making a huge batch like this. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I shred the zucchini up. Just shred some zucchini right in to the bowl. So the zucchini definitely helps with the moisture, you guys. And now we're gonna start adding in some of the dry ingredients. I like to do a little sprinkle of cinnamon. It's completely up to you if you like cinnamon or not. I like to use some coconut flour. Start blending that in. We're gonna add some ground flaxseed meal. Keep in mind, if you buy flaxseed, you either need to grind it yourself, because putting whole flaxseed, you're not gonna get the benefit. They'll basically just pass through your system. They won't do what they're supposed to do. In the past, when I bought whole seeds, I just went ahead and ground them with a coffee grinder. So we're gonna mix that in as well. Now the recipe calls for protein powder. This is the one that I currently use. I've been using Isagenix products for over 10 years. If by chance you don't have this at home and you don't know where to get it, you can definitely get it through my links. But if you don't have it, you can use any protein powder that you currently have. I use about 1 scoop in this recipe, maybe 1.5 scoops, because I'm creating a big batch here. Oats are going in. You guys, this batter is just about complete. We're gonna go ahead and get their pan fired up so we can get it nice and ready for us, and we're gonna start making our pancakes. So follow me on over to the stove. We're gonna fire this up, and we're looking for a medium to low heat. We don't want burnt pancakes, so we just wanna get that pan preheated. Again, it's lightly been sprayed already, so we'll keep an eye on that, and we'll be right back over to make our pancakes. You'll notice in the recipe there's options for mix-ins. Mix-ins can be banana if you'd like, and walnuts. Today, the mix-ins that we're gonna put in is we're gonna put some shredded unsweetened coconut and also some chocolate chips. So again, play with this recipe, you guys. Have fun with it. There's a lot of different mix-ins that you can do. So I'm gonna add a little bit of chocolate chips in, and we're gonna add in some coconut shreds. So this pancake recipe will have coconut and some chocolate chips. Just gonna give that a quick stir. And if you guys can see, what we have is something that is batter-like consistency. Okay, you guys, it's time to make our pancakes. We're gonna head on over to the stove. Pan's just hot enough. Checking my temperature one more time. And I'm gonna go ahead and spoon this in. Hopefully you guys can see this. Little tiny bit of a sizzle. And I'm just spreading it around just a little bit to make that nice pancake shape. And I'm just gonna let it be. I'm gonna let it cook on the underside, making sure my temperature is just hot enough. And this will bubble just like a normal pancake, you guys. So we'll keep an eye on it. Okay, you guys, it's about time to flip this pancake, and flipping pancakes, so I've heard from my clients, can be a bit tricky. I've been doing it for a while. So you just wanna make sure that the underside is nice and brown, which it is. You're just gonna pick that up and you're just gonna flip it real quick. Plate this. You guys, thanks again for joining me for another recipe in Crystal's Kitchen. This is one of my most popular recipes. This is the protein pancake that years ago I modified and made it to what it is today. So a lot of different mix-in options. Today we made chocolate chips and shredded coconut in this protein pancake. So let us know how you like it. Make sure you tune in for some of the other recipes. Give us feedback on that. But for today, enjoy your chocolate chip shredded coconut protein pancake. Thanks again for joining Crystal's Kitchen.